A solid sphere of radius 5 cm floats in water. If a maximum load of 0.1 kg can be put on it without wetting the load, find the specific gravity of the material on the sphere. Find. Now we do have a container, water in there, and a sphere, right? And now if a load of 0.1 kg is kept on it, right, and it gets just submerged, fine. So at equilibrium condition I can write mg, that is due to 0.1 kg, mg of the sphere, and net buoyant force that is acting on it. So equilibrium condition can be written as 0.1 into 9.8 plus mass of sphere into 9.8 is equals to volume of sphere into rho of water into g. Okay, now just substitute the values. I have 0.98 plus mass of sphere can be written as volume of sphere into rho of sphere into 9.8 is equals to volume of sphere into rho of water into 9.8. So 9.8 gets cancelled from each side. So I can write 0.1 into 0.1 plus volume of sphere plus rho of sphere is equals to volume of sphere into rho of water. Okay, now I can write 0.1 plus volume of sphere can be written as 4 by 3 pi into r, that is 0.05 whole cube into rho of sphere plus 4 by 3 pi 0.05 whole cube into rho of water, that is 1000. Okay, now solve this equation. You will get the value of rho of sphere as 800 kg per meter cube. Now we have to calculate the specific gravity of the material. So specific gravity of the material will be rho of Sp by rho of water, that is given by 800 by 1000, that is 0.8. That is the answer.